Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an order that I recently made from Marcelle. Marcelle is a Canadian brand that could be found in the drugstores and on their website. All their products are hypoallergenic, 100% fragrance-free and paraben-free. I enjoy a lot of things from this brand. I put them in my makeup kit. I purchase it for my children, and it makes me feel good knowing that I'm not using any harsh chemicals on the face. So some of the things I repurchase and some of the things are new items that I'm actually going to be trying out. So the first thing is a repurchase, and it's their moisturizer cream. And this is the day cream. And this I bought for my children. I repurchase it for them all the time. And this is just a moisturizing cream. And this is it right here. So that was the only repurchase. The rest of the things are new items that I wanted to try. I purchased a night cream for my children, and actually they tried it already and they loved it. They like the day one, but the night cream is usually richer in texture, and they said it moisturized their face really, really well. So I got 2 of those. They also have a line called Hydractive. I think they have 4 items in this line. So this is a line that would hydrate your face really well. They have an eye cream that I've used. However, with that cream, after I wait a few minutes and I apply my concealer just comes off. Everything just slides off. So maybe I'm just gonna use it before I go to bed, but I, for some reason, wasn't able to use it under my makeup. They have a spray that you could hydrate your face before makeup, and I have it in my kit and I use it on my clients, and it's a very nice one. And then they have 2 creams that I haven't tried yet from this line. So it says here that it's a 24-hour moisturizing gel, day and night, and this one is for dry skin, and this one is for all skin types. That's what they look like, and I'm excited to try those. The next item that I got is a moisturizer, and it is an oil-free multi-defense lotion with SPF 15. Excited to try this one. It has 4 fluid ounces, 120 milliliters, and it comes with a pump. And the next item I purchased is an ultra gentle cleansing gel, and this is the foaming one. This one is good for all skin types. And it says paraben-free, oil-free, soap-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic, non-irritating, and 100% tested on sensitive skin. Cleanse deeply without drying or irritating the skin. Gently removes face makeups. I'm excited to try that one also. The next item is a concealer, and I've used their concealers previously, not this specific one, and it was a very nice concealer. However, their lightest shade oxidized and it was way too deep for my skin tone. So they had a shade that is called Very Fair, so I will be testing that, and it has a sponge applicator, which is definitely not always the best. I cannot use it in my makeup kit, but for myself I could try that. Then I got a Forever Sharp waterproof eyeliner. I haven't tried those eyeliners, but I've tried the same lip liners and a brow pencil that looked exactly the same. And the way you sharpen them, you close the cap, you twist it, and it sharpens it automatically. So I'm looking forward to trying this one. Then there was a gift with purchase, and there is a sample of a BB natural cream. So in general, their BB cream is amazing. I reviewed it on my channel, not the natural one, the regular one. This is a newer one. And that BB cream works almost like a foundation. It gives you a beautiful coverage. I think this is like a #1 best-selling BB cream in Canada. Got a little sample of that cream right here. Then we got a deluxe size of their gentle makeup remover. And this is the best makeup remover that I've tried. It removes all the waterproof makeup. This is a #1 selling eye makeup remover in Canada, and it is truly, truly amazing. There are a few different ones on their website. This one is gentle, then they have the regular one. I think there's 3 or 4 different ones. I also love their micellar water. I like so many things from this brand. It's really, really a great brand, and they go on sale very often. Sometimes you'll have buy one, get one free. Sometimes you get 30% off. When I placed my order, the whole website was 30% off. And the last thing that they put in a gift box was a mascara. So that was a very nice gift. And I guess I'll do an updated video in a few weeks to let you know how those products performed and whether or not they're worth purchasing. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.